Hello friends, welcome to Tech Easy. In today's tutorial, we will be learning about advanced filter function in Excel and Google Sheets. Let's start with Excel first. Before moving on to advanced Excel function, we'll have a quick review about filter function. Now to filter a particular data, we need to select the complete set of data and apply filter. A shortcut for that is Ctrl Shift L. Now once the filter has been applied, you can select on this drop down and filter the data for any particular criteria. We'll select RK electricals. We'll press OK, and now you can see the data has been filtered. We'll remove the filter. Okay, before we remove that, now once the filter has been applied, we cannot identify the criteria by which the filter has been applied. For that, we need to take our cursor to this filter icon where you can see this particular column has been filtered for RK electricals. Now for advanced filter, we need to write down the criteria in one place, and according to that criteria the filter will be applied. So at any point of time, if you want to see what criteria has been used to apply a filter, you can always see it there. So to apply an advanced filter formula, we need to have column headings same as we have in our original data. So we will apply advanced filter in this sheet. Now we will keep this cursor anywhere in this table and we'll click on advanced. Now there are two options in advanced filter. One, we can filter the data in original data, or we can copy it to some another location where the filtered data will come. Now first we have to define list range. List range is nothing but a data set. Then we have to define a criteria. For criteria, we need to select two things. That is the name of the column by which the filter will be applied and filter criteria. In our case, name and RK electricals. Then we have to give the cell location where we want to copy the data. Press OK. Now as you can see, the filter has been applied and we can only see those rows where RK electrical is there. Now if you want to give two conditions, let's say name is RK electrical and invoice value is greater than 6000, as the condition is already noted down here, we'll delete this data and we'll again give an advanced filter function. Alt A Q is the shortcut. As you can see, the list range has been properly selected. We need to change the criteria range. This is the cell will be the filtered data will be copied. OK. So now as you can see, the filtered data is further narrowed down to 4 invoices where the invoices value are greater than 6000. We'll also do criteria including a date. So we'll again delete this. Again give another advanced filter function. Copy to another location. Range is properly defined. Criteria is where what we have changed. Copy to is OK and OK. So further the data has been filtered to only 2 invoices. Now if we want to filter the data by name RK electricals or Shield Trippies, so what we do, we write down the name next to in the next row to RK electricals and then we accordingly change our filter criteria. We'll see how it happens. So we say advanced filter, range is properly selected, filter criteria is we have changed, copy to and OK. So now as you can see, the filter data has one row for Shield Trippies where invoice value is greater than 6000. So this is how it happens in Excel. The only thing which is irritating in this advanced filter function is we have to delete a data every time we want to apply a new advanced filter function. Now as we move to Google Sheet, we'll see that this problem is not there. So we'll come to Google Sheet. So we are having the same set of data that we use there. Now to apply again advanced filter in Sheet, we'll go to Data tab. But now as you can see, there's only a filter option, no advanced filter option. So to use advanced filter option in Google Sheet, you have to write down the formula here in the cell itself. We'll write filter. Now while writing down the formula, we have to define two things. First is range. Range is nothing but a set of data. So we'll select that. We'll put a comma. Condition 1. So condition 1 is every row where the name is this. Now I have already written arc electricals in that particular cell. The data has been filtered to give us the data for only those names where arc electrical was there. Now let's say if we want to filter this data for shell trippies. Remember in Excel to do that we have to delete this data and again apply advanced filter function. But here it is very much simple. We need to just change the name there and the data will keep on changing. Very much easier. Now if we want to give multiple conditions, then you can add your conditions here by writing comma and just can keep on adding the condition. So we'll give next condition where invoice value is greater than whatever amount we write in this cell. So right now nothing is written, so it reads it as 0 and it gives every invoices which is greater than 0. But say if we write here 6000, the data has been filtered for only 4 invoices. Then we'll give one more condition for date as well. So again condition comma every rows where date is greater than date mentioned in this cell. Again as no date is mentioned, it is keeping the data as it is. We'll write down the date here. And the data has been again filtered to last 2 invoices. This is how the filter function works in Excel and Google Sheet. We clearly have an advantage of using the filter function in Google Sheet over MS Excel for a mere convenience. That is all we have to share with you on advanced filter function in Excel and Sheet. If you like our video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel to get notification about our future videos. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.